Hi, Melissa. How are you?
Hi,
It's good to
Fred.
see
Great
you.
to see you.
Likewise.
How
Are
are
you ready?
you? I'm
Wonderful.
ready.
Great. Let's
I'm
begin.
ready.
Hi, everybody. Fred Delgado with the Fred Delgado Real Estate Group. Today we have a very special treat for you. We have a wonderful individual here next to us, Melissa Terrazon, with Old Republic Title Agency. So we want to first say hello, Melissa.
Hi, thanks for having me.
My pleasure. So today we're going to talk about title and escrow. So thank you for coming in and sharing that with us. So Melissa, as we help our clients, specifically buyers, work through a transaction, we want to make sure that they understand the process of what it means to have a title agency or to hold title or to do escrow. And today we want to educate them when it comes to that. However, before, let's share a little bit about you, Melissa.
Sure.
Could you share with us your experience working with escrow?
Absolutely. I started my career in Albuquerque, New Mexico in 1992. So I've been in the industry just at 27 years.
Wow.
So I've had quite the extensive career in title and escrow. It's been very rewarding. The best part is being able to work with the consumers is always great.
Fantastic, fantastic. So I know that you are with Old Republic Title Agency. So tell us a little bit about this company specifically.
Sure, I would love to. Old Republic Title is one of the oldest title companies. We've been in the actual valley here in the beautiful Arizona Valley for just over 50 years. We've been in the West Valley since our West Valley is growing so much for the last 2 years. So great company to work with. Very big on taking care of not only their external clients but as well as their internal clients.
That's fantastic. And actually, we have experience working with you guys, so you guys have been fantastic in supporting
Thank you.
a lot of our client base. So thank you. So now, as we educate our audience, what does it mean to be an escrow? We'll call that.
Great question, Fred. To be in escrow means that you, as their licensed fantastic agent, have brought us a contract that's been fully ratified by the consumer, buyers and sellers, and you've deposited into escrow along with an earnest deposit if the contract calls for it, and then that's when the fun starts for us. That means that we then start that process for searching the title to make sure that it's free and clear of any judgments, liens, encumbrances, ordering HOA statements, ordering payoff statements if the seller has a payoff, and getting it ready for close of escrow.
That's wonderful. So when we are in escrow, what do you offer, let's say, as we move forward and close a transaction? What does the title company offer by doing the escrow file?
What the consumer is gaining from title insurance is a property that has been researched to confirm that your seller is the seller of record. You've entered into a contract with a bona fide seller,
Okay.
and it gives a great deal of confidence to that new buyer that their property is going to be free and clear of any judgments, liens, encumbrances, and the freedom to the seller to know that they also are going to be receiving their funds at the end of close of escrow because we are a third party facilitating based on the instructions.
Fantastic. So Melissa, you mentioned title insurance. Can you explain what that means?
Absolutely. So title insurance, there's going to be multiple types of title insurance. You're going to have a lender's title policy if the buyer is taking out a loan. You're going to have an owner's title policy that is going to protect your consumer, your buyers.
Okay.
So when your buyers purchase, they can purchase with confidence knowing that that property is free and clear.
Okay, very good, and that it's protected. So I have an interesting question. Why is title insurance important? And what is the difference between title insurance for a cash buyer versus a loan or finance buyer?
Another great question. So when you have a consumer that is paying cash for a file or cash for a transaction, they are going to be purchasing, well, the seller technically purchases it for the buyer for the contract in Arizona, a owner's title policy. So the owner's title policy is going to be provided to the buyer showing that the property is indeed free and clear of any judgments, liens, encumbrances against the property.
Fantastic. Anything new you would like to add about your title agency?
I think our title agency is just a little different than others because they really allow for the autonomy within the branches throughout the valley. So it gives the opportunity for us to partner with our real estate agents, our lender partners, and really be able to give back to the communities that we serve in, which is a fabulous part of working for a company like Old Republic.
That makes good points. So with that said, are there any tips or recommendations you would give to our audience in selecting a title agency or title company?
Absolutely. There are lots of title companies out there. I would say to a consumer to do their due diligence, to make sure that you are working with licensed professionals, that you're working with a title company that does have a reputation for its sovereignty as far as financial strength and stability, so that they're going to be there for tomorrow to be able to handle any claims that you may have against your title policy.
That makes sense. Melissa, this has been extremely informative.
Thank you.
So I'll share, if you want to share, how would our audience get a hold of you if they had any specific questions?
Absolutely. Again, I'm Melissa Terrazon at Old Republic Title. Our beautiful branch is in lovely Goodyear, Arizona.
Okay, good.
And our branch office is 623-882-2400, or of course you can find us on the intranet at www.oldrepublictitle.com.
Fantastic. And everyone, you can always reach us as well. We are located, of course, on our website at freddelgado.com. Our phone number is 602-308-8494. We're always here to serve you and help you out. Know that loyalty, passion, results drives the Fred Delgado team. Enjoy your day. And